Have you heard of Sunchokes? I don't think you have.
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
So what are sunchokes? It says sunchokes are like a tubular-shaped, thin-skinned root vegetable of sunflower plant family that's in season from late fall through early spring. Often referred to as the Jerusalem artichokes. Sunchokes have no origins in Jerusalem, and they really don't taste like artichokes. If anything, sunchokes can be accurately compared to potatoes, both in how they're grown underground and their earthy flavor profile. So what does this mean? So the reason I'm on here talking to you about sunchokes is because sunchokes are gaining popularity all of a sudden. Also, sunchokes are a great starter or even like a side dish. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite little side dishes I'm doing right now. It's a roasted sunchoke with Shishito Peppers. I'm sure I said the pepper name wrong. You can look that up, but that's one of my favorite little dishes right now. So I'm going to show you how to make that real quick.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
So there you go. Now you see how easy it is to make a little side dish with sunchokes and some Shishito peppers. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe. That way you don't miss any content. A new video drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Leave me any comments, suggestions for new videos. Always looking for new ideas. Trying to take the channel up this year to a different level. So any ideas would be helpful. Don't forget to follow me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Love you guys. Till next time.